New Year and welcome to Keighley College. Now it's January and one thing a lot of us do at this time of year is make resolutions. When we spoke to our principal Kev, he said that his resolution was simply to try new things. So we thought to help him on his way that we'd set him a challenge. So this is how it's going to work. 4 of our tutors have invited Kev to try his hand at courses that he's never done before. Our experts will then grade him on his efforts from fail to distinction. Now, I know that Kev's itching to get started, so let's go and find out where's Kev today.
Right, hi everybody, I'm here at Keighley College and I'm here in the welding department and I'm up for a challenge, always up for a challenge, and I'm here with Simon and Simon's going to tell me a little bit about what I can expect from being a welding student.
No problem, Kev. Well, I've actually got a great challenge for you today. I've got the virtual reality welding situation set up for you, and just to make it a little bit more interesting, I've decided to put you in a power station. So you're in a nuclear power plant, but the bad news is, Kev, you've only got 5 minutes to carry out this weld because there is a bit of a problem with one of the reactors. Right. So you're going to wear these virtual reality head pieces. Yeah. And you're going to be in the power station, so be very careful because there's a lot of activity going around. With the torch, you've got the torch there. Right. If you look down to the base of the fillet joint, you will see what we see on the screen. And,
okay.
But do remember, the reactor's time is ticking. We've only got 4 minutes left now before the reactor shuts down. You're doing really well. Very nice travel speed. Have you done this before?
No, never done this before.
Well, that was, I think you've done this before. That was awesome. Absolutely awesome. When you're in the real thing downstairs, you've got the temperature, 4,000 degrees, you've got the sparks, it's a little bit noisier, you've got the heat. And okay, if Kev was one of my students on this welding course, I would be given the grade he deserves. And looking at his parameters, which I mentioned earlier on when Kev was welding, they're absolutely brilliant, so I can't really be too tight with my grades on this one. I'm going to have to give him full marks. I'm going to give him a D for a distinction because that is a natural ability. The speed of travel was so smooth, the control, the distance away. I think he's done it before. Here you go.
Thank you very much. So that's a wrap for today, but be sure to tune in next Wednesday to find out where's Kev.